Check us out for an old girl. An old Hitachi miter saw. This one is the C8ST, proper made in Japan one. Problem with it is the spring's gone. This is meant to lift back up again. This one is just dropping like a stone. The actual spring up in here is actually snapped off, this coil spring. I have to change that in order to fix her up. Luckily, this shouldn't be too hard. We need to lift it all the way up. But this bolt here gets in the way. So we need to remove this. Now we can go past, but it's still snagging. That's because the blade is getting caught in this. We need to remove this bracket too. Now with that out, I can lift this all the way back. So we can see the problem now. The coil spring here is totally snapped. This leg here is snapped off completely. So she's doing now. To get this out, you have to remove this bolt. This was holding the motor section onto the table section. So that should just knock out. To take it out, just put your dome head nut onto here. So you'll send the tap on. We're going to knock this bolt out. But before we do, I need to remove two little grub screws from here. Take these out a good bit because they'll actually be sitting on a shoulder. They're not just clamping the bar, they're actually inside the bar. Take them out a good bit and then give it a wee tap. And then it should just pull out. Now with everything still sitting here, I just have the head tied back on the lead just to hold it in place, and that spring can just drop out. Now all we need is replacement spring. Luckily for this old girl anyway, you can still buy the spring. Not many parts are still available for this, including the guards. They're all gone, obsolete, but you can still get the spring. Not cheap, mind you. 25.50 plus the VAT. That's new coil spring. Both legs still on it. So now, just put your spacer back in and slide this back into place. It'll slide in easily, it'll not be under any tension at all because we have this wee side bolt removed and the saw pushed all the way back, so it removes the tension from the head. So you can just push it in and put your center pin back in again. That's her in place. Just have it nice and flush. Then go ahead and tighten up these little grub screws again, because these are what's actually holding it in place. this isn't actually tightened onto anything. That's why there's two. Just tighten onto themselves. So this here can't move back. Now that's sure tightened on. Still nice and slack. But that's it actually fitted. We're not finished yet. But now with it on and the bolt in, the spring should now be working. That's what we want. Springing back up again and staying up. Now we just need to get the rest of the pieces back on. And that's our one old Hitachi miter saw, the C8ST, up and running again. Spring been changed, it's actually lifting itself up again now, and is much safer to use.